In this demo, we will give you a brief demonstration of MVIS 1.3, starting with showing you how quickly you can define RESTful APIs for your multi-value data and business logic. So let me jump into the admin console which you see on your screen. You can log in with user admin, and what you see is a dashboard of MVIS server. The essential parts includes login followed by an account. So I have an account, a universe or unit account configured. The protocol is of REST, and you have configured your username and password along with it. So another important section is the REST server. So let me show how you can create RESTful APIs quickly. So you go to an account, you select a particular add data resource. You select a data file. So in this case, I'm going to select a student. I select it. It's going to show you a bunch of fields which you can select for it. Last names, first names, and click OK. Here you go. Your REST endpoint is created. One can test this REST endpoint. We have a nice integration with Swagger. So if you click on the green icon over there, I go to the demo, I say try it out, and I execute it. And you see the REST endpoints and with Swagger, and in this way you can quickly create a REST endpoint in MVIS.